Today I was scrolling through my Instagram feed when I suddenly saw an ad for this company, Sneeds. Now these guys make a spray that you can spray on your shoe, on your sneakers that will help you protect them from dirt and you can easily clean them. I found this really intriguing, so I headed to their website. It was a nice clean website. I went to their product page, added the product to cart, filled in some shipping information, went to the payment page, but here I closed my browser. Now my shoes look okay, but after a while they sent me this message. Extra 10% off just for you. We see you were trying to protect your sneakers, but you didn't complete the purchase. Get an extra 10% off if you order right away. Here's the complete checkout button with a code. Now this is what's called an abandoned cart recovery message. Companies and brands will send you this message when you go to their website, start buying something, but don't finish the purchase. They'll send you 3 to 5 of these messages along with discount codes to incentivize you to come back to the website and finish your purchase so they can get a sale. Now these messages are highly effective. They contribute anywhere from 10 to 20% to the overall revenue of the company. But Sneeds here made a mistake. And now this is what I replied to them. Nice abandoned checkout flow, but the first message should never be a direct discount. A simple reminder will fetch orders without having to give away your extra 10% margin. You can easily set up a second or third message to offer the discount. Good luck. Well, I just got a bot reply to that. So if you're running an e-commerce business, don't forget to turn on these abandoned cart flows to earn a big chunk of your revenue, and don't forget to follow me for more.